In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add another workspace to your Slack account. To get started, open the Slack application on your computer. If you prefer, you can also do this in your web browser by going to Slack and signing in to your account there. Either option works well, so just use whichever one is more convenient for you. The process is very similar in both versions, which makes this quick and easy to follow. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the far left side of the screen. This is where Slack displays the icons for your current workspaces. If you already belong to more than one workspace, you'll see them stacked in that sidebar. This area is where you'll manage and switch between different Slack workspaces. Next, click the plus icon located near the bottom of the workspace bar. In some versions of Slack, you can also click your current workspace name in the top left corner to open the same general menu. If you don't immediately see the option, just take a second to look through the drop-down because Slack's layout can vary slightly depending on whether you're using the desktop app or the browser version. From that menu, choose the option that says Add a Workspace. This tells Slack that you want to connect another workspace to your account so you can access it without signing out of the one you're currently using. After that, Slack will ask whether you want to sign into an existing workspace or create a brand new one. Choose the option that matches what you need. If your goal is to join a workspace you already use for work, school, or a team, select the sign in option. If you're setting up a completely new Slack space, choose the create option instead. If you're joining an existing workspace, enter the email address associated with that workspace or type in the direct web address for it if you have it. Make sure the information is entered correctly so Slack can locate the right workspace. Then complete the login process by entering the confirmation code sent to your email, or by typing in your password if Slack asks for it. This final step confirms your access and links the workspace to your account. Once you're done, the new workspace icon will appear in the left sidebar along with your other workspaces. From there, you can switch between them anytime with just one click, which makes managing multiple teams much more convenient. That's all it takes to add a new workspace in Slack. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tech.